2025 just buried the AV receiver. No racks. No wires. Number 30-minute setup. One soundbar. Pure Dolby Atmos. Performance so powerful, it makes traditional systems obsolete. 5 revolutionary soundbars are here. Not as alternatives, but as replacements. These are the new kings of home theater. Number 5, LG S95TR, the compact beast. LG's Silent Assassin delivers 9.1.5 channels, wireless rear speakers, and dual subwoofers in a single, elegant package. It adapts to your room in real time, balancing clarity with chaos. This is home cinema in one move, without clutter, without compromise. Number 4, Sonos Arc Plus Era 300, the wireless master. The Sonos ecosystem goes full Atmos with the Arc and Era 300 combo, offering 5.0.2 channels of precise, room-filling audio. No cables. No configuration headaches. It's a true plug-and-play Atmos system built for seamless streaming, minimalism, and smart control. Number 3, Samsung HW Q990D, the all-in-one god. Samsung's flagship brings 1.1.4 channels and total wireless control. Room mapping calibration, lossless Dolby Atmos, and flawless sync with Samsung TVs and devices. This isn't just sound, it's a smart ecosystem built to dominate every room it enters. Number 2, Sony Bravia Theater Quad, the AI magician. Sony fuses Wi-Fi 7, 360 spatial sound mapping, and acoustic center sync into one precision-tuned system. The TV becomes the center channel. The sound adapts to movement, space, and content in real time. This system doesn't just replace AVRs, it outthinks them. Number 1, Nakamichi Dragon 1.4.6, the Titan. Nakamichi unleashes an 11.4.6 channel wireless monster. Quad subwoofers. 6 up-firing speakers. Wi-Fi 7 mesh. Lossless Dolby True HD Atmos. Certified by THX. It's not an upgrade. It's a category reset. No boxes. No rack. Just a sonic superweapon. Your Move, AV receivers. These soundbars don't compromise. They connect. They calibrate. They crush complexity. The age of wires and AVRs is over. The future is cleaner, smarter, and sonically superior. The only question is, which one is taking over your living room?